Alright, what's up guys? It's February 18th. Today I honestly kind of forced a trade after missing out on this sellout. I was going to enter this sell-off right here after we swept these highs, or these highs, I guess you could even say these. But we swept these highs. These were the major highs right here. This is what I was looking for. We sweep these highs. We came up. And I was hoping on this move we would honestly sweep these highs, and that's the only reason I did not take this trade. But we made these highs. We came down to here. We hit equilibrium. I wasn't 100% gonna enter on equilibrium though, because the fact that we did not inverse any fair value gaps. So I probably could have gotten right around here to then put. Ooh, to then probably I'd put it right up here, so if we inverse this, stop us out. And then my final take profit was all the way down here. There was these lows that I think I was targeting, or is these ones. I was targeting these lows. I was gonna have a runner though, so I probably would have ended up targeting this low right here. That would have been my runner, which would have hit. But we missed out on that trade, so I honestly kind of lost some. I wasn't as disciplined, and I ended up doing something I probably shouldn't have. I went against my bias because I thought, man, we swept these lows over here. Like, I just didn't see us going any lower, but that was not the case. So we sweep these lows. We broke structure back up to the upside, while also inversing this fair value gap. And I was like, sweet, this is good. We'll get it on the retracement. We had our order block right here on this candle that swept the lows. We got a great reaction off it at first. It came down and just shot back up. And I was like, okay, this should be a great trade. I set a buy limit for 3 contracts of MNQ. Typically I do 5, but I was de-risking. At least I de-risked today. And I put my stop loss right around here. So then if we inverse this fair value gap, I knew that the trade was ultimately over. So we come in, and this candle was the one that got us in at 8 o'clock, and it just shot. This fair value gap didn't hold anything. It just ran through it right away, and I was like, great. I mean, I was in this trade for probably about 30 seconds. I got instantly stopped out, which is honestly good, because I shouldn't have taken this trade, and these are going to be lessons that I learned, that I shouldn't be forcing trades like this. But yeah, no, so honestly, down 100, I should have just been even today. I probably shouldn't have even traded after this big sell-off, but you learn. I learned today, and yeah, when I lose something like this, I probably should just take the day off. When all my draws on liquidity got swept out, probably should have just took the day off. I even was telling myself before I entered this trade I probably shouldn't do this, but I still entered for some reason. But yeah, no, it's okay. Tomorrow, this whole week, let's see, Forex Factory, this whole week should be a good trading week. Got nothing to really look out for besides Friday. Probably just won't trade Friday, so got 3 more days of trading this week. Should be a good week. But yeah, no, I'll see you guys tomorrow.